Hey, it's Jason Horning here, and welcome to funnel model number one of the 7 Guru Funnel Models product. What we're going to be talking about here is what I call the Justin Brook pre-sale funnel. And this is a really flexible funnel that can be used for promoting several different types of offers. It'll work really well with information products. It'll work really well with CPA offers. And you can actually even use this to generate leads for high ticket phone sales. So the way we've designed the flow chart is it's most commonly used with low end information products, and then moving people up an upsell and downsell chain to really liquidate traffic and generate profit right on the front end without having a lot of upfront work and things like that to do. So let me kind of take you through how this whole thing works, and then there will be some links below that you can use to go out and see an example of how what this funnel looks like. So what we do is we start with an ad, and we're going to drive people from that ad to a pre-sale landing page. Now there's a couple forms that pre-sale page can take. You've probably heard of the concept of a pre-sale page, and it can be its own custom designed page where you've got some content that is basically helping to get the prospect in the right frame of mind for buying the product that you're going to be offering to them next. So what it does is it starts to address the problems and concerns that the market has, and then it starts to position the product as the ultimate solution to those problems and concerns, and also helps to build up some credibility and believability before actually putting somebody in front of the sales message. So in a lot of the other funnels that we're going to show you, we're going to be kind of skipping this part right here, and we're going to be sending people straight from the ad to a squeeze page and then into a sales message. So what this does is it just kind of helps to pre-position the sales message before people actually see it. Now, one thing that's great about this is if you are doing Facebook ads, like what we talked about in the main course, Facebook is starting to really kind of crack down on different videos and things like that if they have hidden buy buttons on them, which is why in all this stuff that I'm showing you, there aren't any hidden buy buttons, because Facebook's really going to start cracking down on that. That's I have credible sources that have told me that. And so having this pre-sale page in place is going to be absolutely key, because you're actually pushing people over to content, and that is more in line with a good user experience, which is what Facebook is looking for. Now, the other way that you can do the pre-sale page is you can actually have just a page on your blog, and this is what Justin does a lot. So if you follow what Justin's doing with his ads, he will typically have an ad that drives people over to a blog post on his site, and that blog post is got great content. He's teaching people, pre-selling them on what he's going to be offering, and then linking over into his sales funnel from there. He may also link over into a lead funnel. So you'll see a lot of times on his blog posts he'll have the main call to action is to go over and opt in for one of his case study videos. So you can take it in a lot of different directions. But if you want to go direct to sale, that's really what this one is designed for here. Now, what you also do is on the pre-sale page, you put some retargeting code so that when people come here and they don't ultimately buy, you can retarget them back over to the sales letter or back over to the order form. Now, I prefer to drive people straight to the order form, because usually what happens is people will hit the sales letter and they'll watch part of a video, or they'll read part of the page, or they'll skim through it, and it's something that kind of gets on the back of their mind. And if you drive, a lot of people will drive them back straight to the sales video. And if you don't have the right kind of video player in place where you can actually tag where they left off and show them the video where they left off, you're gonna piss a lot of people off, because they don't want to go and watch a whole video all over again. So you're wasting a lot of your clicks. So I've found if you drive them straight back to the order form, and you've got enough copy and stuff on your order form to close the sale, you'll actually have a higher ROI in that instance. Okay, so then from the pre-sale page, your call to action is going to get them to go over to your sales letter. And so this can be a video sales letter or a text-based sales letter. Typically, you're selling a product $47 to $97, and it needs to fulfill on the promises that you made on the pre-sale page. Now, from this VSL or sales letter here, you're going to link them over to an order form for that product, and once they order, that's going to send them into a one-click upsell sequence. So the first upsell is going to be a $297 product, and this is the formula for this product needs to be something that will help them do what they're going to be able to do from this product faster. Okay, so because there's always going to be a certain percentage of people that want the shortcut, and they're going to want to do everything faster than what you're going to show them in here. So you got to design a way that they can actually accomplish those goals faster and offer that to them here. Now, if they take it, you move them to the next stage. If they don't, then you drop them down to a page where you downsell the same product for 3 payments of 97 bucks. And on this page, it's a real easy thing. You've got just a simple sales video that says, hey, the only reason I think you didn't take this is because of price. So let me split it up into 3 payments of 97 bucks for you. And that's literally it. Now, this product right here, what we like to do here is have an additional product at 2 payments of $97. And this is what we call a bolt-on. So what this is it's something that you can bolt onto these 2 products right here that will help you to help the end user to actually increase the results that they get. So in my case, you know, what we like to sell here is more support or another product that is directly related to these 2 that will help them to get more results there. So it's a pretty basic concept, and when you split it up into 2 payments of 97, what you end up doing is you end up increasing the conversion rate on this by quite a bit, and then you create this continuity, quasi-continuity income stream because you know, your shopping cart will bill that person the other payment within 30 days. And so when you start driving enough people through here, and you'll get people that take this, you'll get people that take this, you'll get people that take this, you start to create all these additional payments that keep getting billed out months in advance. So you can build up a really nice revenue stream when you get all the conversions dialed in on all of these parts of the funnel. And then from here, you just simply drive them to a thank you page, and that's it. So that's the Justin Brook pre-sale funnel model. Go ahead and check out the links below the video to see an example and put it in place if this makes sense for what you're doing in your business.